thank you. Andifuna ungasho. Oh yes, welcome to life with me. Welcome, my name is Nokubongah and you're my darlings of Charlie Trend and to life in Nokubongah Mkhabela. To stay, you subscribe and become part of this family. So I am done getting ready and yeah, I'm going out. I'm going to meet my sister at Southgate. We are celebrating her achievements. So yeah, we're going to be meeting there. I'm actually already running late. I did not put on makeup. My face has been breaking out a lot lately, so I'm kind of leaving it bare these days. So yeah, I figured that I should just get ready and take you along because I love doing weekend vlogs and this is my weekend. So yeah, I am wearing a two-piece from Shein, pairing it with this bag also from Shein, and these white glasses also from Shein, and the white slides from Mr. Price. Right, so the hair I'm wearing today, it's the hair which I was curling, I think, on the previous weekend vlog. And yeah, it is looking very good, looking very cute and cheeky. Yeah, I'm loving it. I'm looking cute, looking pretty. Hey guys, welcome. So today it's Sunday, and yeah, they ended up sleeping at my place. So yeah, we are heading to Alex now, and yeah, we're gonna pass by. Is it Southgate or in?
It's a town.
Okay, down. Buy a few things which I was supposed to have bought yesterday. So yeah, again, let me take you along on the Sunday.
Bye.
I'm looking cute and funungasho. Looking cute and funungasho.
Ever.
Hora. We'll talk about my feet when we get there. Because I'm looking hot. One thing I love about visiting them at Alex that they teach me how to cook. I mean, the food tasted exactly how beautiful it looks. Hey guys, so we have come to the end of the weekend. So the time now is +7. Let me confirm. It's +8 actually. So yeah, today was pretty much of shopping. So Sunday contains pretty much of shopping. I did buy a few things, but probably the only thing that belonged to me was the makeup case. So I'm really not gonna be showing most of the things like on camera, detailed and stuff, because it was buying my little brother's Christmas clothes, a phone because he's been wanting to get a new phone. So yeah, I've promised him a phone for about a year now, so I had to get one also. And then it was cosmetics for Dad. So that was pretty much that. The only thing I got for myself is this dye here, which is the patches I've always wanted to do. So I got myself this makeup box. It is not really that big. It is medium. I got it at Small Street for 450. So yeah, but I must say Small Street, it's really not crime friendly. So be careful when you go there to get something. So yeah, that's pretty much that. So the lovely purchase I did today was getting myself a makeup box so that I can put my makeup or pack my makeup in order. And yeah, probably if I get makeup clients, because I am about to start my makeup business. I'm not quite sure when, but yeah, it will come in handy. So yeah, this was the best purchase for the day. And yeah, I think we've come to the end of the vlog. Hope you do enjoy the vlog, because yeah, I did enjoy my weekend. And yeah, I love you. Do remember to love yourself as you are. Be patient with yourself. Give yourself second chances. Yeah, just be patient and be there for yourself. That's one thing that I kind of had to learn growing up. So yeah, much love and respect. Good night. Bye. See you on another upload.